In this video, we want to review the track and trade multi-chart view as well as cover the concept of multiple session logins on the same computer. Now I'm doing this demonstration in the Forex version of track and trade, but these features are exactly the same whether using track and trade stocks, futures, or Forex. The first thing I want you to notice is that we are over here in the Charts tab, and to simply open up some charts, we just need to double click on the symbol. So I can very quickly just double click on AUD/USD and it's going to open up the daily chart automatically. I can right click on the top of the symbol and I have a choice of the different tabs that I have set up. These are all customizable and I can have them be any time frame I want. But if I would like to open up another chart, I can simply open up a chart by clicking on that time frame. Now I can come in here and just double click and open up several charts, as you can see here. To close a chart, very simply, just right click on it and say delete the chart, and it's going to remove the chart from the list. I currently have 4 charts open, as you can see, one for each one of these symbols. Each one is a daily chart, but I'm only displaying one at a time. If I would like to rotate through the charts, I can simply click the header, and as I click the header it'll rotate down through each one of the individual charts. But if I would like to look at all the charts on the screen at the same time, there are several ways I can do that. One of those ways is by clicking this little icon right here in the upper right hand corner, which means tile. If I click that, you'll notice that it opens up the chart in a display such as this. If you end up, because we deleted one chart, it's left a blank spot. Very simply, to fill that spot, all we need to do is grab the header of one of our charts and drag it up into the empty slot. And so you can move the charts around. Let's say I would like to bring the GBP USD up to the left corner. All I do is grab the header and drag it over the top and it changes places. It relocates that chart. Now to go back to a single chart, all we have to do to go back to a single chart view is go up to this icon right here, which is the center icon once again, and if we click on that icon it brings that chart full screen. Now there's another way that we can access this as well. If we come up here to the view menu, you'll notice that we have a drop down menu that comes down here and says multi-chart mode, and we just select that and it's going to once again take us into the multi-chart mode. Now, many of you will have multiple monitors, and what we recommend here at Gecko Software is that you can open up the software multiple times by simply, obviously, clicking on the desktop icon multiple times and logging in to the software in multiple sessions, and then you can slide by grabbing the header of the software and slide it over onto each individual monitor. Each individual monitor can then have a single view chart or a multi-view chart on each monitor depending on the number of monitors you have. We recommend that you open up a new instance of each of the software for each individual monitor, all of them logging into the same account. That way you'll have the same account information on each monitor and all the information available to you in each location.